The annual Street Eats Food Truck Festival took place on February 11th and 12th at the Salt River Fields in Scottsdale, Arizona. Event attendees had the ability to try $2 samples or purchase full meals from a variety of food trucks. Michael and Lacey Allen and their 4-year-old daughter attended the event to celebrate Michael's birthday after seeing signs around the city advertising the event. Lacey Allen stated, "We always drive on the 101, so we heard about it that way, and a bunch of my coworkers heard about it from Groupon. We haven't done the food festivals around here before, but we have gone to the Day of the Dead event, and we go to the farmers markets. So we thought we would check it out." The festival offered a VIP lounge and musical performances for attendees to enjoy while they munched and slurped away their food truck purchases. There were also games and non-food booths selling homemade crafts. And for those children 12 and under, vendors had a variety of carnival games and rides. This event is held annually, so make sure you keep your eyes peeled for announcements regarding next year's festival.